So today I'm going to show you 5 things that I love that I purchased for my camper van. So the first thing is this pan. This pan is called a quarter pan. It has a little rack in here. You can use it to bake. And then you can also use the rack on top for items that might drip. Love it. Fits perfect in my little microwave. I did get it at William Sonoma. So it wasn't exactly cheap. I think maybe 40 bucks, which isn't too bad because it does come with that rack. You can use that rack outside the microwave too if you want to set it and let something drip. But yeah, this pan is very versatile, non-stick, love it. The second thing that I bought for the camper van is a quarter sheet pan sized Silpat. Love these, they are non-stick. You can put sticky items on your sheet pan. Fits right in the quarter sheet pan and items just fall right off it. Love it. Cleans up nice and easy, no scrubbing. So the third thing I bought for the camper van is this background white noise. Perfect for when you're sleeping, especially if you're at a campground or somewhere with background noise. So it has a couple different modes. This one might be the fan. Beach waves. It sounds a little like wind. I mostly just keep it on fan, little volume adjustments. Excellent if you like to have that sound in the background when you're sleeping. So the fourth thing I bought for my little camper van is this slim garbage can that also comes with a toilet bowl scrub built right in. Little lid pops open and it's a slender size, so it fits right next to the toilet. I picked that up on Amazon. If I can find the link, I'll include that down below. So the fifth thing that I purchased for the camper van is this memory foam mattress. Mattress Topper. I got it in a twin size, and then I just cut it to fit the length and width of this sleeper. Definitely makes sleeping here much more comfortable. Mattresses are a bit firm, so